Good morning. Today is Monday, November 10th, 2025. I'm here in Mandarin, and this is Olive Mae. We had a bit of concerns that there might have been something wrapped around either of the props. I did not see anything noticeable while I was cleaning, but both props do have a slight play when you're moving them, and you can hear it. I will be doing this in the video at each prop to where you can hear it. It means that the cutlass bearing on both sides, right where the strut meets the shaft, is starting to go out. They wiggle just a bit. So let's go ahead and check out the hull cleaning and check out that sound. there you have it. You may have heard it. I really hope that you did on the port side more so than the starboard side, because you can't really hear it that well on the starboard side while I was doing it. But the port side you can definitely hear when you wiggle the prop. I'm going to go ahead and send this over to Dane and get Dane's professional opinion on it. And thank you for choosing DS Dive.